Hey there folks, this is the old notice for a software crash from an Amigo 1000 or 500 or 2000. Let's do today's CSS Battle. Go to CSSBattle.dev and see what we got. I will continue to prioritize speed here at the beginning, since the first one I did this year took me a whole hour. All right, let's go quick. Ooh, some interesting shapes. Oh, super interesting. I think we got a purple line here. Okay, let's do a little bit of this purple and see how far we get. How about a conic gradient that is purple, 25%, and then transparent. That gets me that. Now, let's put it in the upper corner, and then give it a width, and then we get that. And that's sort of what I'm looking at. Maybe a little wider. 110, 120, 1, 2, 3, 115, 16. And then let's move the center of that at 100 pixel, or probably 60 pixels, 80 pixels, comma. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, so I have the width wrong. 120. All right. So it's a little taller. 100, 20, 30. Great. How about 65? 60. 61. 660 is correct. This width needs to be different. 110, 115, 116. Oh, it's a little playful. I think this is a little playful. The fact that error is, so that's dead on in terms of a width. Okay, so let's move this over. So it's 116. So let's move this over. 10 pixels. No, that's not where I want it. I want 0 there, and I want 10 pixels. One of the things that I do and that I'm not doing right now is add a no repeat, so I really can understand what the heck is going on. So that's the shape I'm working on right now. Okay, so here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. Great. And I want to make it only as wide as I need to. Oh, and so probably what I want to do is the opposite. I want to go black for 75%, and then have the purple be there. Okay, so that's going to help me a little bit. And let's make this transparent. All right. So we're in the right place. 1, 2, 55, 56. All right, now let's see what happens when we let this repeat. Nope. That is not a repeating gradient. I dig this a lot. That makes it very, very tricky. So you let it repeat, and it's just not quite right. So what do we got? So maybe I have this width wrong. Maybe it's 120. Maybe it's 110. 109. 8, 7, 10, 11, 12. No, there we go. Okay, so I just have the width wrong. So what does that tell me? It doesn't tell me a lot. Can I use the same gradient as a variable and then move it? Maybe. Let's do that. --g colon, semicolon. That means I can just use it. Var --g. Great. All right. So all the things that I said about this being a tricky one and asymmetrical, I was wrong. I was doing stuff wrong. So let's do 0 and then move it down. 100 pixels. Okay. And then give it a width, 112. pixels. Okay, now we're cooking. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then move it over 1 pixel. How about minus 1 pixel? Minus 5. No, how about 10 pixels? Okay, there. 15. 5. 4. Oh, and look at that. We've got just a little bit of trouble. So how do we solve that problem? I think the final thing has to be a linear gradient, 90 degrees. We could also use an inset box shadow, but let's not. 90 degrees, it's going to be a teeny tiny 2 pixels, and then this yellow color. 3, 4, 5, 4. I think 4 is right. And then we give it a width, or put it at 0 in terms of the X background position, and then give it a width. It's going to be nearly 400. 400 minus 4? Is that right? 400 minus 4, so 396 pixels? And that's it. All right, so I fooled myself trying to do the repeat there. You know, what are you going to do? Minify, replace, submit. 6 minutes, 50 seconds. I got waylaid. I've been shooting for under 5 minutes here since I got that long one. You know, you win some, you lose some. Oh, that's a fun one. 99 view width is a shortened version of 396 pixels. I like that. That's the unit replace plugin available on GitHub. One of the many little things. We also have a 7PC up here several times. Super fun, those plugins. Thanks for the suggestion. That's in the GitHub histories of when they got added. Go make a webpage. Be cool. Be good to yourself. Be good to other people. And see you again soon.